Hey guys, welcome to Smart Finance channel. Before I discuss this video content, I would like to ask you to subscribe my channel so that you will receive my new videos coming out every week, and also remember to like and share my videos to your friends and families. Alright guys, let's get started. In this video, I will guide you how to retire and still make ends meet. From budgeting to completing retirement plans, there is a great deal involved in retirement planning. Check out our advice to see how you can retire comfortably. Retirement is a thrilling period of life. This fresh time allows you to relax, explore new activities, or return to your previous interests. However, it also entails living on a fixed income, which might provide difficulties. You have a specific amount of money each year and want to maintain a certain standard of living. What more can you do to stretch your budget and make the most of every dollar, besides budgeting? Ways to stretch budget to make the most of every dollar. Don't use your Social Security benefits right away. Pay off your debts. Cut your fixed expenses. Find out what deals are available and take advantage of them. Leverage your points. Reduce your expenses through bargaining. Shop around. Get a part-time job. Work with your financial advisor. Don't use your Social Security benefits right away. As part of your retirement plan, you may begin receiving Social Security payments at age 62, but do you really need to? According to the government, early retirement may cut monthly payments by 5/9% for each month prior to the standard retirement age, up to a maximum of 36 months. If you wait until you reach the full retirement age, you will be able to get your full benefits, which will provide you with extra money each month. Pay off your debts. While you still have an income, you should attempt to pay off any outstanding debts before you retire. It's probable that your wage exceeds what you'll need to live on after retirement, so you'll have extra money to pay off debt. Consider combining the debt into a single, lower payment so that you can pay it off more quickly if it is unmanageable. Cut your fixed expenses. This pertains to debt, nutrition, transportation, and housing. If you own two automobiles but only use one, you should sell the other one and use the proceeds to pay off any outstanding debt. If it makes financial sense, you should consider downsizing if your current home is too large for you and your spouse. This means you may sell your current property and purchase a smaller one without having a new mortgage. If you want to remain in your house after retirement, do any necessary modifications before you retire. Replace any outdated appliances with energy-efficient models that will help reduce your electricity expenses, so you won't have to deal with costly replacements in retirement. You may also invest in technology that automates your house's heating, cooling, and lighting, therefore increasing the energy efficiency of your home. Find out what deals are available and take advantage of them. Don't be hesitant to ask for senior discounts at restaurants, pharmacies, grocery shops, airlines, retail outlets, motels, vehicle rental agencies, and mobile phone providers. AT&T and Sprint, for instance, both offer senior mobile phone plans. Almost everyone offers senior discounts or special shopping days, so if you often shop or visit a location, keep note of these dates and alter your itinerary accordingly. AARP cards may be required to obtain some discounts. Consider becoming a member if there is no membership charge or if the expense is covered by better savings. The majority of establishments provide an average discount of 10%, which may save a substantial amount of money over the course of a year. Leverage your points. Credit card points or miles are the inverse of senior discounts. The majority of credit card programs provide points or miles that may be collected and redeemed for merchandise. discounts, or travel. If you have a good credit card habit and pay your bills in full each month, accumulate and utilize those points to save money on travel and merchandise. Reduce your expenses through bargaining. Constantly negotiate your yearly costs, including cable, internet, phone, and insurance. As part of their efforts to retain customers, the majority of businesses provide discounts, allowing you to save money. It takes time but is worthwhile. Always inquire about elder discounts when registering for a new service. Family members and you may share phone and streaming services. In this manner, you may both get what you need while splitting the expenditures. Shopping around. The difference between two retailers might result in savings of several dollars. When we shop at the same place every week, we tend to develop habits. However, if you live in a region with several grocery stores, you may get food and dry goods. Another alternative would be to monitor shop sales cycles. Certain products are offered for sale monthly or every 6 weeks. Once you are aware of the cycle, you may stock up on pantry staples when they are less expensive, or give more points. Employ yourself part-time. Retirement is also an opportunity to try something new. You are not precluded from pursuing a new part-time work just because you have concluded your career. It gets you out of the home, allows you to meet new people, which is beneficial to your mental and emotional health, keeps you active and healthy, and generates some revenue for the family. Why not obtain a low-stress, engaging part-time job if you're healthy? Make use of a financial planner. They can assist you identify other methods to save money. They are a good source of recent information on tax benefits. A financial advisor may help you optimize your deductions to minimize your tax burden and retain more of your money. Summary. Retirement isn't about slowing down, it's about exploring the next chapter of your life, a time when you have the knowledge and time to attempt something new. You may support your retirement ambitions with better preparation. Well, guys, my video has come to an end, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, so that our channel can grow and bring everyone new videos with new things to learn. Bye bye for now and see you in my next videos.